many people are having trouble with making calls using voice commands with their Jabra Tour Car Kit? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate voice command. To start, long press the voice command button on your Jabra Tour until say a command sounds. Step 2. Query available commands. Make a verbal query. What can I say? This will present a list of the available commands. Step 3. Turn on voice controls. To turn on your phone's voice controls, like Siri, tap the voice command button. Step 4. Manage microphone use. Press the mute button to deactivate or reactivate the microphone. Step 5. Manage multiple calls. The Jabra Tour allows you to accept and manage calls from 2 phones at the same time. Use the answer/end button to manage these calls. Step 6. Understand language limitations. Remember, voice commands are only offered in English, German, and French. Phone-dependent voice commands availability might fluctuate. By following these steps, you should now be able to effortlessly make calls using voice commands on your Jabra Tour Car Kit. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Jabra users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.